Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to unsend invite message on Instagram. So let's get started. So if you want to unsend invite message on Instagram, what you have to do is, first of all, we will check what is invite message. So if you'll just open up your Instagram application, and after opening up your Instagram application, just tap on that arrow icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. And after tapping on that arrow icon, now what you can do is just simply open up that message that you have sent. And now if you will try to unsend this message, you can't find unsend option. So if you want to unsend this message, then what you have to do is just simply come back to your home screen and then open up your Google Chrome. So if you are in iPhone, you have to open up your Safari, and what you have to do is you have to search for login Instagram. After searching for login Instagram, now what you can do is just simply log into your Instagram account. So just tap on this first option which is login, and now what you have to do is you have to continue it with your Chrome. So just tap on Chrome. So if you are in your iPhone, then you have to continue with your Safari. So after doing that, now what you can do is just simply log into your account. So just enter your email address and password, and then simply log into your account. And after logging into your account, just tap on this arrow icon which is on the bottom right side of your screen. So just tap on this icon, and after tapping on that icon, now you will come up to your messages section, and from here, if you'll just simply open up that chat that you have sent a message to, and now if you try to unsend this message, you can. So what you can do is just simply tap and hold on to that message, and then what you have to do is you will find a three dotted icon. So just tap on it, and after tapping on it, here you can find this unsend option. So just tap on unsend and then again tap on unsend. And after doing that, now what you can do is just simply head over to your Instagram application, not in your browser but in your device. And after opening up your Instagram, just tap on that chat icon which is on the top right, and then just open up the account, and here you can see you have successfully deleted that message or unsended that message. So that's it guys, this is how to unsend invitation message on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.